Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So in advance, please excuse my hands, guys. I did one hand yesterday and the other hand was not complete, so just excuse my hands, okay? Anyway, so I was inspired by this picture right here that I saw on Pinterest from that pretty girl from Grownish, and I wanted to try that style. So I went in with the expression here, and this is in the color number 2. It's like a brown color. It is definitely browner than my hair color, and I am just cutting that in half. Now that I have two halves, I basically just like kind of put it together, and I started feathering the hair so that when I braid downwards I will have like excess hair to braid down, and the hair will not be unraveled at the ends. So this is just like kind of an easier way to feather the hair out. Instead of like splitting the hair up and working it through, you can just pull the hairs like by strand upwards. So you kind of want it to look like that. You can go in and do it some more, but this was fine for me. You don't want it to look like that, you want it to look like this, okay? So now I'm just taking out my twist. I'm just gonna part my hair into two halves. I'm gonna go ahead and section one part out of the way, and I'll go ahead and work on the other side of my head. So first I'm just gonna go ahead and like clean up my parting, ensure that there are no like flyaways and so on, and ensure that it is straight. Now I'm going in with the Mega hair wax, and I am adding that along the edges of my hair, and I'm like brushing that in, but it was like really stiff and was hard to work with. So I went in with the Eco Styler gel. This is the Argan Oil Eco Styler gel, and I added that on top, and I continue to smooth that product in my hair. To like kind of smooth that in, I actually comb the product backwards because my hair will be like in a low ponytail, and so I'm just brushing my hair into the direction that I want it to be. And I did repeat that process on the other side of my head. So now I'm just gonna go in and like try to reduce the frizz on my hair, like smooth it in, and also like kind of work on the front of my hair. I'm trying to get my hair as smooth as possible, guys. That is why I will like pull the ponytail out and like redo it, because I want my hair to be as smooth as possible. Like my hair was super frizzy this day, I don't know why, but it just chose to be like really frizzy. So I was really trying hard to get it as smooth as possible. But I will definitely try this style once more, and hopefully my hair won't be as frizzy as it was on this day. So now I'm just going to the Nitro Canada hair wax, and I will be smoothing my edges, just laying down my baby hairs and working on that. And I went ahead and I tied my hair up for a couple of minutes, probably like 10 minutes, and then I came back in to add on the ponytails. So now I'm just gonna grab my hair. This is 1/2 of the hair that I had cut previously. I'm just gonna go ahead and split that into 2 halves, and then I'm gonna cross them together. I'll be showing you guys here. So you kind of want to like make a loop. I'm showing you guys how to hold the hair. When you point your finger through those 2 parts, and you're gonna grab the other section with your hand, and you're like going to loop it around the base of your little twist that you have there. You're gonna grab your hair like with the 1 part of the ponytail, and you're going to start braiding. You want to like conceal your hair in 2, so you're going to like put your hair in between the 2 middle parts that you have, and you're going to continue braiding. I hope that I'm explaining this so you guys can understand. If not, just watch closely, slow down the video if you need to, and you will see what's happening. So I just go ahead and I braid that hair down towards the end. I am taking my time because I wanted this to be braided neatly, and I did not dip this in hot water because I wanted it to kind of like be loose but not too like frizzy and having hair stick out. So as you guys can see, like I was braiding the hair in one direction, but then I flipped the hair over and I started braiding like in another direction because I realized that I braided faster going over instead of under. So I just kind of like twist the hair around and started braiding that way, but you can braid however you feel comfortable. So I'm just gonna go in with like some hairpins, and I'm going to help to like attach that hair towards the base of my head. I'm just gonna go in now and like trim up the hair just a little bit. And that is the finished result, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye. We're slaying it today. Bye, guys.